Plus 1000 birds vocabulary. Apricot-breasted sunbird. African thrush. African sacred ibis. Acacia tit. African desert warbler. African golden oriole. Adelie penguin. Andaman teal. African blue flycatcher. Acorn woodpecker. Amazonian grosbeak. Antarctic petrel. American barn owl. Albert's lyrebird. American bittern. Azure kingfisher. African hoopoe. African pitta. Arctic tern. Andean gull. Alpine swift. Abyssinian owl. Atlantic puffin. American robin. Amazon kingfisher. Agami heron. African pygmy goose. African marsh harrier. African grey hornbill. Australian wood duck. Beard sandpiper. Baltimore oriole. Bananaquit. Bald eagle. Black guillemot. Barn owl. Barrel-line hummingbird. Black grouse. Band-tailed pigeon. Black skimmer. Black-billed magpie. Black tern. Black-throated blue warbler. Blue jay. Black vulture. Brown-headed cowbird. Black-backed woodpecker. Brewer sparrow. Cabanis's bunting. Capped conebill. California condor. Cardinal lory. Chakar partridge. Canada goose. Carolina chickadee. Cape Batis. Cassia crossbill. Cape parrot. Common goldeneye. Clay-colored sparrow. Cackling goose. Cactus wren. Chestnut-backed chickadee. Cerulean warbler. Common ground dove. Common greenshank. Crested caracara. Connecticut warbler. Double-striped thickney. Cooper's hawk. Dunlin. Dick Sissel. Dickinson's kestrel. Dark-eyed junco. Dalmatian pelican. Darwin's flycatcher. Downy woodpecker. Desert owl. Dark-billed cuckoo. Dwarf bittern. Double-crested cormorant. Dusky eagle owl. Dusky hummingbird. Dusky thrush. Dusky warbler. Dusky pigeon. Dwarf cuckoo. Dunnock. Dark-sided flycatcher. Double-toothed kite. Dusky-capped flycatcher. Dusky grouse, dusky antbird, dusky nightjar, eared dove, Eurasian bittern, Egyptian vulture, eastern bluebird, emerald tanager, eastern towhee, eastern phoebe, Eurasian bullfinch, eastern screech owl, European robin, eastern osprey, emperor goose, evening grosbeak, emperor penguin, Egyptian goose, Clectus parrot, elegant tern, Eurasian magpie, Eurasian pygmy owl, Eurasian spoonbill, Eurasian teal, emerald starling, Eurasian sparrowhawk, wildfowl, Eurasian coot, Eurasian widgeon, fawn-breasted bowerbird, emu, Falkland steamer duck, fan-tailed cuckoo, ferruginous pygmy owl, festive amazon, fasciated tiger heron, forest kingfisher, fan-tailed raven, Fiji goshawk, forest buzzard, field sparrow, flammulated owl, Forster's tern, fork-tailed flycatcher, fox kestrel, fox sparrow, Franklin's gull, flightless cormorant, fierce petrel, fish crow, ferruginous hawk, Fisher's lovebird, Florida scrub jay, fulvous owl, gadwall, great-tailed grackle, gala, great blue heron, golden eagle, greater white-fronted goose, Gila woodpecker, gargany, Galapagos hawk, glossy ibis, giant kingbird, giant ibis, great egret, glaucous-winged gull, gerfalcon, great frigate bird, Goliath heron, great horned owl, green hermit, greater kestrel, great kingbird, golden-fronted woodpecker, great crested flycatcher, gull-billed tern, gray catbird, greater sooty owl, green kingfisher, great gray owl, green jay, hammercock, harpy eagle, hook-billed kite, hatted ibis, Harris's hawk, house finch, Highland alenia, horned grebe, hairy woodpecker, Harris's sparrow, hooded merganser, hooded oriole, hermit thrush, hooded warbler, house wren, hoatzin, harlequin duck, hawfinch, hen harrier, hepatic tanager, house sparrow, hooded crow, houbara bustard, horned lark, imitator goshawk, Indian cuckoo. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to introduce us to your friends.